Yeah, what up, y'all? Yeah, we finna show y'all how I made $1,000 off YouTube this month, right? But first, let me show y'all my earnings just a little bit and what I made these past few weeks. Starting off 365, made about 6 bands, almost seven, some slight. Last 90 days, almost 1,500. 28 days, 800 and $10. Last 7 days, $31. But for this month of June, for the June check, right? I made a whole $1,000 scrap. A whole $1,000, yes, for this month. That's coming my way. That done came my way now. What you said, and this is what I've been making. But that's another topic we'll get into, another story, another video. But you see, I done made mine, and it only can get better. You just gotta stay down and grind with it. That's it. But yeah, man, you can make $1,000 easily if you just post consistently and put the time in. It's not that hard. It's not that hard at all. It is hard to not do it rather than to do it if you get my drift. Because you ain't doing nothing anyway. Why not just post your everyday life? Why not just post your scrolling anyway? Take something from the internet and post. Elaborate. Get some paper off it. You feel what I'm saying? You could do some numbers. Look at the numbers I did. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, you can make look, and this is overall analytics right there. I had a million. I got 1 million views off this channel. 1,100,000. You can do it. I ain't the only one that can do it. If you want to make $1,000, be consistent, get the right titles, the right thumbnails, and you can take off. I promise you. You know, like I said, you just gotta just believe in yourself. Don't let nobody tell you you can't, because everybody told me I couldn't, and I did. And like I was just saying, it's consistency beats all, man. It's consistency, and you gotta be catchy with your titles, your thumbnails, and you can really turn up. It's not that hard. And even the thumbnails, sometimes you don't even have to put a thumbnail. If you got the right title and you know the right things to say in the description and whatnot, you can take far. You can make a lot of bread on YouTube. And that's so with anything. If you're consistent in anything you're doing in life, you can make it happen. It might take time because it wasn't an overnight thing, but I learned. You see what I'm saying? And a lot of people throw you off. They tell you can't do it. It's because like a lot of people ain't seen it done around them, you know. And if you ask your parents and everybody around you, they ain't gonna believe in you. You get more support on the outside from people you don't know. So always remember that. Don't go around asking everybody to subscribe to your channel. Because the people see, it's not going to be, it ain't going to go well. They got to click on your video and click off. So messing it up for you overall. Because your people know you, they ain't going to become fans of you. Unless you become big. But who cares? You don't need no indoor support. You see what I'm saying? It's the world's a big place. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, consistency beats all, and again, you gotta have a tunnel vision. Like nobody hold you back, or nobody say you can do it. Forget everybody else, get a fan base elsewhere, and you're golden. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all think.